Hey everyone, how are you doing today? Chris here, and in this particular Alegrias lesson, we're going to be doing this Picado. It's all in triplets until the very end, the last three beats 10 and 11 and 12. So Alegrias is 12 beats, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Triplets throughout, what beats 1 through 9, 10, 11, 12, we're going to do our close, thumb, index. I have it thumb, index on that E major chord, thumb, index, thumb, thumb, and then thumb. So you strum through all three as one entity. So it's like that's one string. And that's 10 and 11 and 12. And then that last beat is a quarter note. 10 and 11 and 12. 10 and 11 and 12. Everything else is triplets. So we start in the fourth position. We go 7, 5, 4 3 times. Then we do what's called a compression shift. That's what I've heard it called, and I like that because I'm actually compressing my hand. So my index finger is stretched out here, and then I go like this. So I compress my hand and make that shift. And that helps you visualize to make it more connected. And then 5, 4, 2, we're going to do that 3 times. And then we're going to go down the scale, and I would stay in this position. We're going to go 4, 2, 0, 4, 2, 0. Now switch positions, do your second finger, and then we're going to do that. Okay, so now we have the full compás, 12 full beats. I also want to bring to your attention that last part. It's all 3 notes per string, and then all of a sudden you go 2 notes here on the A and G sharp, and then we only have that 1 note with the picado, that F sharp, the 4th fret of the 4th string, and then you go into this. Okay, so let's get to it. 72 beats per minute. Here we go. 10, 11, 12. So now let's take this up a little bit faster to 112. And 10, 11, 12. One more time. There you have it. Let me know if you have any questions at all, and enjoy the work. Get to practicing. Bye-bye.